So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate, even if it is resonating 100% with you. It's not your personal reading. So, whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Aquarius people for this week, we have the Queen of Gabriel. You can do anything right now. You guys can do anything right now. The time has come for you guys to take the action, and now the universe is also going to support your actions as long as it is something that's not hurting others or harming others in some way, right? Okay, go after what you want, go after what you believe is good for you, made for you. You deserve that, you desire that. The ability to attract helpful people. The moment you are going to start walking on the path of your happiness, walking on the path of your goal, helpful people will also be able to connect with you naturally and organically. You guys don't have to uh, find them, like look for them all the time. They will appear when the timing is going to be right. Okay, for 27th, we have the Seven of Michael. There is a better course of action available to you. So you guys have to drop the idea of my way or the highway kind of an energy. Some kind of better course of action is available for you guys in order to um, make a situation go in a positive way. Okay, working alone may not be the best answer. Right now, teamwork, collaboration, partnership can make you guys achieve something really beautiful and meaningful. Working alone might not be a good idea. Review all the details. If you are going to go for some kind of collaboration or partnership, review all the details, all the terms and conditions, and all the pros and cons and consequences of your actions. Okay, documentation should be proper, legality should be proper, and if you are not able to understand the legalities or documentations by yourself, you can hire somebody to work for you, but review all the details before signing any kind of contracts or documentations. 28, we have the Lovers. Make choices from your heart. You guys might have to make some kind of choices or decisions in a particular direction. So make choices from your heart instead of your head. Deeply emotional commitments. It can be related to a particular romantic situation, or it can be related to your work, related to your health, related to your self-love. Deeply emotionally committed energy is also going to be present for you guys for this day. The power of love, the power of pure love is going to make you feel like, okay, you guys are blessed to have something or someone by your side, or maybe you by yourself, you by your side. 27, 28, 29th, we have the Six of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Give a tap on your shoulder. If you are working on something from quite a long time now, the time has come for you guys to get the rewards of your hard work. You have done a tremendous job. Now the time has come for you to reap the rewards. Time to move on to the next project. Okay, whatever is applicable in your case. Next project, next cycle, next chapter. Awards, scholarships, or promotion, salary hike, awards, scholarship, some kind of what we call that, honey, recognition is also possible for you guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys are going to keep going and have a wonderful attitude towards life, towards whatever you are trying to achieve here, and you will be rewarded very, very soon. Don't wait for the reward to come, it will come, right? 27, 28, 29, 30th, we have the Epiphany. Joy through spiritual growth. You guys are going to have some kind of spiritual growth, or especially if you guys are consciously working on your spiritual things, you guys are going to go to the next level of your spirituality in some way. Be a light to others, Aquarius. If you know you can help others, if you have gone through some kind of shitty experiences in your life, or you are a healer, or you are a light worker, whatever you call yourself, if you know that you can help others, try to do that as much as you can, right? Answers that come through meditation. Instead of listening to the whole world regarding a situation that requires some kind of wise advice, try to sit with yourself and meditate and try to get the answer from within yourself. That is going to be the best advice that anyone can give themselves, right? So 27, 28, 29, 30th. 1st of May, we have the Sun card. Life is wonderful. Try to focus on the positive side of life. Try to focus on the happy-go-lucky energies around you instead of focusing on the negatives, honey. Thrive through the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is going to help you guys to go through a little bit of difficult to deal with kind of a situation on this particular day, and inspiring success. and inspiring success is kind of waiting for you guys in the coming future, nearly near future. I don't think so it's happening on this day only, but your attitude, how you are handling your life, how you are going through your life, and how your thinking is shaping your life is going to change a lot for you. You can inspire others too in the coming future, maybe writing a book or something. Good for you. Awesome. Happy for you. So we have on 2nd of May, yeah, 27, 28, 29, 30, first. 2nd of May, we have the peace. Release the past. There is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. I don't think so. I have to explain this to you guys. But anyways, if you guys are still living in the past, then try to focus on the positives of your life right now, currently. Whether your past was good or bad, releasing the past is required in order to have a healthy, peaceful, and happy life. The more you are going to stick around to the past, the more you are ruining your present and hence your future too. Releasing the past is the only solution to have a peaceful, happy, and healthy present life. There is more enriching future coming only if you guys will be able to disconnect from the past. Let the past be in the past. There is much more enriching future coming for you guys. Let go and let God. If you can't change, control, or do something about the situation, the time has come for you to let go and let God. Surrender to the divine. Okay, so we have 3rd of May, the final message, the last message. 4 of Gabriel, time for a celebration, abundant rewards for hard work, release yourself from burdensome situations. You guys are going to get some kind of rewards of your hard work, and you guys are going to celebrate this with your pals, with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family. Release yourself from burdensome and heavy situations. So if something or someone is weighing you down, draining your life force, draining your energies continuously, you gave enough time, you gave enough choices, enough, you can say, chances to a situation, the time has come for you to release that heavy and burdensome situation for your life, even if it is the closest to your heart. Sometimes only love is not enough, Aquarius. Sometimes saving yourself from the draining energies of others is very, very important. Otherwise, we are going to be stuck in a loop, and we are never going to grow as a person, as a soul. So what's the use? Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Aquarius. तुझे तक 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 तकते रहना, तेरी बक 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 सुनते रहना. 6 of Ariel, material needs get fulfilled in magical, unexpected ways. You guys are going to get some kind of materialistic gains this week. So make sure you guys are going to invest wisely, save wisely, and do everything positive from your side in order to get these gains happening in your life. Act of kindness. The more you can act out of kindness, out of love, out of gratitude, the more you are going to have more prosperous, enriching, and beautiful life. Giving or receiving with a grateful heart. Even if you're giving something to someone or you're receiving something from someone, do it with a grateful heart. So attitude of gratitude is going to help you guys in order to have a really beautiful, peaceful, and abundant and prosperous life ahead of you. So okay, use that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.